the biggest value of this for anybody is that it's insurance against spacing out, right? Have you ever spaced out when you're reading something? They say, read to page 20. You're like, woo, I'm doing it. 16, 17, 18. And then came Alice. You're like, what, Alice? Who's Alice? Alice came in page 4. You're like, oh, man. And you have to go back to page 4, right? So checking in with yourself about what is happening is like, it's like the thing the mountain climbers do where they bang something into the mountain so if they fall, they don't fall all the way to the bottom, right? So you got to check with yourself as often as you don't want to have to read that stuff again. So for me, that's maybe like every page or something. Okay, this is what's going on. All right. Now, if you're going to all that trouble, write down what's going on so that you don't have to read it again. Okay, right? So anything you mark, however you mark it, you ought to be writing something over here about why you marked that thing.